morning, grade ones. I hope you've all been doing your work beautifully in your books every day. For phonics today, Miss Asen has got some great news. We have finished learning all the tall letters. Lucy Lamplight, Harry Hatman, Bouncy Ben, and Kicking King are all tall letters when we write them. What we're going to do today is we're going to start learning about all the short letters. So we don't start writing these letters at the top of the line. We start writing these letters halfway down the line, in the middle of the line. And the first phonic sound we're going to revise today from grade R is Impy Ink. Do you remember him? Impy Ink says I. Say that sound with me. Impy Ink says I. And Impy Ink starts words like ink and insect. Mrs. Asen is going to read you the story now about Impy Ink. Listen carefully.
Ink is interesting. Most of the words in books are printed with black ink, and the pictures are printed with lots of different colors of ink. Inside each ink bottle, there is usually only one color. But look at this ink bottle. Isn't it incredible? This is Impy Ink. He is an incredible ink bottle. Impy Ink has all 7 colors of the rainbow inside him, and none of them ever get mixed up. Rainbow ink is Impy Ink's ingenious invention. Everyone insists it's impossible, it's magical, it's incredible. When Impy Ink starts important words or sentences, he uses a long, thin, incredible ink pen. Impy Ink makes the little I sound you hear at the start of his name.
Impy Ink's ink surely is incredible. But imagine Impy Ink's ink could make you go invisible. Wouldn't that be fun? What I'd like you to do now, grade ones, is I'd like you to look closely at the picture on the next slide, and I'm going to leave it on for about 10 to 15 seconds because there's not too many I words today. And I'd like you to find as many words in the picture that you can that start with I. I have got the words on the side of the page if Mom would like to help you. Let's do that now.
Over the next 7 slides, there are words that start with the I sound. Look at the picture, say the word out loud, and listen for the I at the beginning of each word.
when we write the Impy Ink letter, we also start at the top, but we don't start with the little dot on the top of his head. We start at the top of the short line, and we go down the line, then we lift up our pencil, and we just make a dot above the short straight line. I don't want to see circles or hearts or spirals. It's just one dot with your pencil. Look at this quick video now, and it'll show you exactly how to write the letter I. Have you got that, boys and girls? You can practice on a scrap piece of paper if you'd like before you do your worksheet. Talking about worksheets, that's what we have to do now, unfortunately. We've got to do our work, and this is what our worksheet looks like today. It's a little bit different, so I need you to listen carefully to the instructions. On this worksheet, we have got 12 blocks. 12. Can we count them together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, there are only 6 blocks that have pictures that start with I in them. When you find the picture that has I would like you to color it in, and I would like you to write the Impy Ink letter in the block at the top of the page. If it does not start with I, you're going to leave it. You're not going to color it in at all. You're just going to leave the block blank, but in the little block at the top, you're going to write a cross from corner to corner and corner to corner. Let's take a closer look at the worksheet.
Here's that worksheet a little bit closer up so that you can see it better. And Mrs. Asen is going to go through all the words in each block carefully, so you can start listening carefully and deciding which ones start with I and which ones don't. So let's see. We've got igloo, cup, lid, inside, the cat is inside the bag, snail, hat, bucket, Indian, bell, invitation, injection, intersection. What you're going to do, if the word does start with I or Impy Ink, you're going to take your pencil using pinchy fingers and you're going to write the letter I. Now I'm going to do the first one with you. Igloo, boys and girls, definitely starts with I. So we're going to go halfway down this block, not the whole way down, about halfway. And we're going to draw a line from halfway to the bottom. And we're going to lift up our pencil and just do a dot with our pencil. And then we're going to color in the igloo with our roll-ups very carefully and very neatly. I'm sure you all are coloring beautifully now for your teachers. I'm sure you're all trying your best. You want to impress them when you come to grade 1 Okay, so that one is complete. Let's look at the next picture. This is a cup or a mug. Does that start with I? No, it doesn't. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your pencil and you're going to draw a big cross in this block from corner down to the opposite corner and from corner to the opposite corner. And you're not going to color in that picture, you're going to leave it blank. So I'm going to leave you now to get on with the rest of the worksheet by yourself.